and welcome to another episode of What's in Your Backyard, brought to you by the Harris County Horticulture Team of Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. I'm Paul Winsky, your horticulture agent for Harris County. Today we're going to look at the life cycle of the monarchs. Monarchs, like all other butterflies and moths, undergo complete metamorphosis. There's an egg stage, which lasts about 4 to 5 days before it hatches. The larva or caterpillar stage will last 9 to 14 days. The pupa or chrysalis stage, this is right before the adult, will last 12 to 16 days. And finally, the adult will emerge and will start the cycle all over again. What we're going to look at today is this guy, the caterpillar. Hey buddy, slow down, save some for your relatives. No, it's okay. The caterpillar is doing exactly what it should be doing, eating and growing to get to the next stage of its life cycle. The female will only lay her egg on the milkweed species. This species will go ahead and provide food and shelter. So the egg and the caterpillar stage will do all of its development while it's on the milkweed. These guys are eating machines. The caterpillar will grow 2,000 times its original mass. So, Jenny Craig, step back. We don't need it. This guy's got to grow in order to get to its next stage. As it grows, it will become too large for its skin, and it will molt or shed that skin. So, all butterflies have a complete life cycle, and that's why we need the diversity of plants in the landscape in order to support all these stages. Thank you for joining us. Follow us on our Facebook page, our website, and all other social media, and stay tuned for another episode soon to come.